Football now, the Reggae Girls made a convincing start to their CFU Final Round World Cup qualifying campaign on Saturday with a 9-0 drubbing of Antigua and Barbuda at the National Stadium. Forward Khadija Shaw was the star of the show. On the day, Shaw netted, getting a hat-trick. She netted in minutes 10, 49 and 54. The other goals came through Christina Chang, Trudy and Carter, Denisha Blackwood, Ashley Shim, Marlo Sweatman and an own goal from Khadija Proctor. Despite the big victory for the young forward, Shaw is delighted but is still looking ahead to the other matches.
One step at a time and go out there, play our game, and hopefully when we play our game and play composed, hopefully we get the positive result.
Now, with the win, the Reggae Girls moved atop the group with 3 points, but the head coach Hugh Menzies says the possession of the Jamaicans impressed him the most from the encounter, but will look to make a few minor adjustments, that is, as they get ready for Monday's game.
Talk about the delay of runs and second runs and third runs, and we have to be a little sharper. But, again, we got the 3 points, and we just got to go into the next one hoping that we can get another 3 and move on.